Hi everyone, sharing a great news with you, all of you. I have purchased a whole lot of products from Kreo. This is the webcam which will make my face look better. Here is the cord. I'm not doing the full unboxing because then it will become a lot of mess. Putting it back. Then coming to the second thing, which will, right now someone is shooting the video for me, but for the next video, for the camera to be stable, this is the tripod and it can go up to 1.6 meter, as you can see on this. Then I think this is going to be one of the most important products. Its name is Cast by Kreo and it's essentially the mic. And you can see but my product is, I've seen it already, it's white, looking very nice. Let's put it back. Then coming to the, I think, fourth product to set up the mic, we have the Rode Pro, and it's going to be mounted on a tabletop. And again, I'm not going to do a full unboxing, but you can see it's very nicely packed. Putting it back. Then I think there are the two lights. One is the halo, another is the slab. I think it will help the face look better. So guys, this is slab. It will help my face look great. And this is for low lighting zones. So again, we putting the products back. I think the next video will be much better than this one because I have my products ready with me and just we have put them back.